Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Bluestacks. So, to explain a little bit, here, if you go to posting, we have an offer posting that basically is going to allow you to post on OfferUp. This software has two options to use, two different emulators. In this case, Bluestacks, and the other one is Nox. There is another video for Nox already, so I'm going to be doing how to install Bluestacks, and then you will be able to start posting on OfferUp. So the reason we have this is because OfferUp is just an app on your phone that can only be run on the phone. They don't have like a web-based place where you could be posting your ad. So you have to do it through an app. So in order to show you how to work with that, you will need the BlueStacks emulator. So I'm going to show you how to install it today. So you will go here on Google, you type BlueStacks, and then you type it in, and here is the first one, BlueStacks. So here is the emulator. And what you do is you click on this button that says download BlueStacks. This is going to ask you if you want to save it. You click on save. Then you click on this, the place that where it's saved, so it's BlueStacks. You could open your download folder and run it from there, or click here, and then it's going to start installing for you. So it's going to download the full version because this is just like a small section of the thing. And here you have to make sure that it's on the C drive and program data BlueStacks. Then you click on install now. This is going to start installing for you, and based on your internet speed, it's going to do it a little bit faster or a little bit slower. Here it says that it's going to take 7 minutes. But just so you don't have to wait through all this, I'm going to jump until in the video until it's almost finished, just to show you how you can continue with this process. So as you can see, it's almost finished downloading. So we're going to now it's going to try to install it. So here we have this. Now it's checking the system requirements, and it's going to continue until it finishes the installation. Now it's extracting the files. So now it says that the installation is complete. So now that the installation has been completed, you will see a BlueStacks icon in your desktop. Just double click on that, and that is going to start opening the software for you. So you'll see something like this, and then it's going to open up for you, and you will be able to see a virtual phone on your computer. This way you could install apps and you could play and test different stuff on your Android. So as you can see here, I have my information here. What I could do is I could go to the App Store, sign in, and then download the apps that I need. Or I could use my software for this specific OfferUp posting process. So as I said before, we go to the posting section, we go to OfferUp poster, and then this should open up. Now here we're going to select BlueStacks because this is the one that we're using, and this is going to allow us to interact with the software. So here, whenever I have this, I'm going to be able to move whatever I have on this option. Now for this, we have to do some settings here. First, you go to the settings option, or you could do Ctrl+Shift+I. And then here, we're going to change this to a portrait mode. And we're going to choose, I think this is the resolution. I'm not sure. We're going to test that one. And we're going to, select that. And then we're going to go here on preferences, and we're going to enable Android debug bridge. This one allow me to to run commands into this BlueStacks so it interact with my software. So now that you change that, let's go and restart this. Because we changed the resolution, the phone has to restart. So now it's going to restart the phone. And just so you know, we will have to install a few apps on this for this to work. One is going to be OfferUp, which is going to be the app that is going to allow you to post into OfferUp. And then this one, it's called Scan Media Please. So basically, this is going to allow you the phone to be able to basically to be able to scan the information whenever you send the new pictures. So now that we did those changes, we have to install the apps. So it's going to be OfferUp and the Scan Media. To do this, you click here on App APK Downloader, and that is going to download and it's going to open a file here, like a website that is going to contain the option to download any app that I want. So I come back here, I copy the OfferUp link, and then I paste it there. So I just click Generate Download Link, and this is going to go and download the APK for OfferUp, so I can install it on my virtual phone. So here is looking for the APK, and it's going to generate the APK for me, so I am able to download it. The other option for you would be to open the Play Store and go and look for it, and then basically install it from there. I just choose this because this allows me to have the APK file, so I can install it in the future and always keep the same version and always have the same version. So here I have this version 342. Obviously, if you do this in the future, you might have a different one. And then you click here and click to download OfferUp now. So I click on save, and this is going to save the OfferUp app for me in my computer in my download folder. And then I'm going to install that. But before I install it, I have to download a second app, which will be Scan Media Please. So I copy that and erase this, and then generate a download link for the second app, which is going to be Scan Media Please. So same process, you put the link, you click on the button Generate Download, and that is going to go and look for the APK, and then it's going to give you a download link, so you're able to download it on your computer. And once you have it on your computer, you should be able to install it on the virtual machine, on the virtual phone. So as you can see, it's still looking for it. While that it's like it find it, so I'm just going to click here and click download, and then I'm going to save this. So now that I have those two apps, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go to my download folder, where I'm going to have those two apps. So one is going to be this one, the Scan Media, and the second one is going to be the OfferUp one. And I'm going to install first the OfferUp. So what I do is I open my virtual phone, and then I just drag and drop the app that I want to install, and this is going to install it for me. So as you can see, it's installing OfferUp right now. So it's installed. Then the second is going to be the Scan Media Please. So I'm going to install it. The Scan Media Please is basically so whenever I upload pictures onto the phone, this is going to make it to load properly. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing that this is working. To do so, basically you click on just like here that you want to use Bluestacks on emulator Bluestacks. There is a button in the new version where you can set the file that you want, which is going to be Bluestacks. You come back here. So now to test it, we will click the buttons that we have here. This you need to, like the software itself, you need to run it from the C drive. So this can talk to this. If you don't run it from the C drive, then probably if you click the buttons, nothing is going to happen. If you run it from C, it's going to run it, or from the desktop on your computer. So now, if you click on OfferUp app, in this side it should open OfferUp, and then what is going to happen is that you have the account here, so you're able to start posting. Now you have to go here on accounts. You will have to log in with your account. I'm going to log in with mine right now. I'm going to log in with Facebook. This obviously is going to be like this is going to be blurred, so you cannot see my information. And then I just click login. So then I just click continue, and here I'm able to see that I'm logging in into OfferUp. So here now this is basically to check that it posts. You click on click post, and if it opens the post page, then your resolution is okay, and it should be working fine. So we close the app. We can open the gallery just to make sure that the gallery is going to be opening. This is the gallery. So I haven't uploaded any pictures, so you don't see anything. We close the gallery now. And basically, this was just the process to show you how to install Bluestacks, how to install the app, the scan media, and basically that's all you need to start posting, which I'm going to be making another video on how to post. Thank you for watching. Bye. And basically get the software on how to posting tools.